Hi, and welcome to the Liquid Avatar product demonstration. This is the third and final presentation from Cabin Systems North America, and it happens to be my favorite part. My name is RJ Reeser, and I'm the Chief Business Development Officer at Cabin Systems North America. We started the day off with Why Digital Identity Matters, 2020 and Beyond. David Lukech, one of our founding partners, walked us through why consumers have accepted the anonymity of the internet, and we need to change that mindset because the technology now exists to take control of your digital identity. He walked us through how we have examiners and issuers that communicate with holders and verifiers. This product demonstration is focused on the holders and the user experience. Next, we had a panel. The panel is focused on how businesses and government need to adapt to consumer ownership of data. We had panelists that represented blockchain, government, technology, open source and open protocols, and most important, the users. I believe they all agreed that the technology foundation exists to empower consumers to control their online data. All right, now let's move on to the product demo, the fun part. Liquid Avatar and the self-sovereign future of identity. Let's first define what self-sovereign identity is. It is the management and control via open standards and protocols of your online identity. It is and will always be under your control, and that it can never ever be taken away. We believe here at Cabin that the ownership of identity is a basic human right, and we do not charge for the use of Liquid Avatar. I'll go ahead and I'll log into my account. Okay, I already have an account, but this is our home screen, and you can see my avatar in the top right. I'm going to start at Manage the Avatar on the top left-hand corner. Here, we can add profile data. We can add a nickname and connect different identifying information like phone number and email, but also our social channels. Let's first start off with the edit icon here, and I can edit my nickname or I can edit my avatar. This is going to be important because we're going to change our avatars based on the different personas that we want to personify. In this particular case, I created an avatar that represents my business profile. When you first download the app, you'll go through a process of selecting skin tones, hairstyles, different facial features as well in order to create that perfect persona for you. Once that's done, you'll hit save. It will save your avatar, put it in the top right-hand corner. If we go back to Manage Avatar, I can then go and add profile data. Like I mentioned, this is my business profile, so I only want to add Twitter, my business email, and my mobile. You can choose any other data point that you'd like to add that's connected to that particular avatar. In our next version, you'll be able to have multiple avatars that you store in your locker. And for me, I would share my business avatar with most of the people that are on the phone here, but then I'd create a different avatar for my personal use, and I'd probably have different connections and social channels that are associated with it. I'll go back to the home screen, and we'll look at the community. Who have I connected with? So now I can go in and look to see other associates, colleagues, or friends and family that I have that I've connected their avatar and the data that they've shared with me. One of the core functions and features of Liquid Avatar is that you're able to share what you want with whoever you want, whether it's personal, private data, and or public data. So let's go back to the home screen again. All right, now let's go to the Read Avatar down below. If you should receive an email from somebody with their avatar, it'll have a barcode at the bottom. You can then scan the barcode and connect their profile to your community. You can also share your avatar. And with Share Your Avatar, you'll see your latest conversations pop up. As you can see, I'm a heavy texter. or other applications that you have access to, you're able to share your avatar with your friends, family, and colleagues. In this particular example, I used a colleague. I'm sending him my avatar. It describes a little bit about digital identity and also provide them a link. Today, this is an invite-only program, so that link would take them to a landing page to join the early adopter program. But once we go public, which is in the near future here, everyone can just download this application on Google Play, also iOS, so App Store, and then also it'll have a desktop version. The reason why we're able to provide identity at no charge to anybody in the whole world is because we also have partners and other programs like the Cabin Card, which is a debit card program with all of the feature functions of a typical online banking application. But we also have the ability that you can offer at cryptocurrency as well by working with some of our partners. But we also have this card linked to our unique loyalty program, where we're able to provide you tailored offers and provide cash back to you for using Liquid Avatar and our Cabin Cash program. That was a really good overview. Thank you very much for listening. Please go to liquidavatar.com and you can select our early adopters program, but also you can sign up and we'll notify you when the app goes live. Thank you very much for your time today.